Hey YouTube viewers, it's me, Team Foresight 59. If you watch my videos of my Xbox 360 Gamerscore, my live count, I've been doing that for a while, and I just broke 10,000. I got 10,200. I was just thinking it wasn't blurry. This is a crap camera. I'm sorry it's blurry, but this is the other game I own from my previous video of the games update. And this is Dante's Inferno. Really cool game. Got further in Borderlands. I'm up to 52 now. And I hope you enjoy this Gamerscore update and have fun.